Do not trust anyone. Make sure to firmly remember this phrase, as it could save your life in critical moments. Foolish people are always willing to believe in someone's character, but refuse to believe in human nature. They feel that good character equates to being a good person, but in reality, character can be faked, while human nature remains genuine. Character is an ever-changing facade, whereas human nature is the unchanging core. It's like wearing an evil mask in the morning. You're evil in the morning, but if you wear a kind mask in the afternoon, you become kind. Who you are depends on who you choose to be. Therefore, when dealing with people, instead of relying on someone's unpredictable character, follow the eternal laws of human nature. There are no eternal friends, only eternal interests. The better you get along with someone, the more you trust them, and when they betray and hurt you, the more disappointment and pain you feel. No relationship can withstand the test of interests, so don't view anyone as too good or too bad. No one truly wants to harm you, and no one truly wants to love you. Others' actions and attitudes toward you depend on whether they can benefit from you or use you. Value doesn't just mean money. Emotional, psychological, and reputational value are all forms of value. From a human nature perspective, those who can hurt you the most are often the people you trust and are closest to. I've seen countless cases where friendships ended and people became enemies over interests. These people all shared a common trait. They placed friendships and friends above all else. When facing difficulties, their first thought was the friends they often ate and shopped with, even sharing their deepest secrets. In reality, there are many such people. Best friends who share everything. Friends are those you trust most, but you may never know their true feelings toward you. Complete honesty doesn't strengthen friendships. It can lead to the breakdown of relationships. This is why you often feel drained when dealing with people. From a human nature perspective, honesty and transparency represent danger. Never trust anyone.